Hi, this is Litre from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2014 Holden Cruze, stock number 6026. This ran from the 3rd 2013 to the 1st 2017. It has a A16 1600 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is the A16 1600 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front headlight. Front bonnet, no dents. Left front 18-inch factory alloy mag bold tyre. Left front mirror. Left front door, no dents. Left rear door, no dents. Left rear 18-inch factory alloy mag good tyre. Right rear 18-inch factory alloy mag good tyre. Right rear door, no dents. Right front headlight. Right front guard, no dents. Right front 18-inch factory alloy mag good tyre. Right front mirror. Right front door, 1 dent. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Centre console lid. Automatic gear shifter. Heater AC controls. Factory touchscreen sat-nav stereo. Interior mirror. Front courtesy light. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel. Instrument cluster.